Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to launch a Subaru WRX. Achieving a perfect launch requires precision and practice. We'll cover the essential steps to get your WRX off the line quickly and efficiently, minimizing wear on your drivetrain. This method focuses on maximizing traction and power delivery, ensuring a consistent and exhilarating start every time. Pay close attention to the details for the best results. Before you even think about moving, proper setup is key. First, make sure your tires are at their ideal pressure for maximum grip. Next, it's vital to fully disengage both traction control and vehicle dynamics control systems. These can interfere with a hard launch. Select first gear and get your left foot ready on the clutch pedal, pressing it all the way to the floor. Now for the critical part, engine speed and clutch engagement. Bring your engine RPMs up to around 5,000. This provides the necessary power for a strong launch. As you reach this RPM, quickly release the clutch pedal to its friction point. At the exact moment the clutch begins to engage, smoothly but firmly apply full throttle. This coordinated action is essential for a powerful, controlled launch. Once the car is moving, keep that throttle pinned to the floor. As your engine approaches redline in first gear, execute a swift and precise shift into second gear. Continue this aggressive shifting pattern through all subsequent gears, aiming for minimal power interruption. Consistent practice of this entire sequence will refine your technique, leading to repeatable, impressive launch times and a thrilling driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.